Hi students, in a combination of cells, next topic is cells in parallel. Okay, see, consider two cells. Okay, consider two cells, each one EMF is E1 and internal resistance is R1. Okay, now another cell EMF is E2 and internal resistance is R2. Okay, here parallel combination means positive of the first battery, positive of the second battery is connected, negative of the second one connected at the same points. Okay, positive of the first battery, positive of the second battery are connected at the same point, and negative of the first battery, negative of the second battery are connected at one common point. Okay, now here terminals, these are A, this point is B1, this point is B2, it is C. Okay, passing current is this one. Here current I1, here current is I2, I1, I2. Total current I, it is split into two parts, I1 and I2. Okay, this current is I. First of all, E1 and E2 are the EMFs of two cells. Understood? E1, E2 are the EMFs of two cells, and next one R1 and R2 are the internal resistances. Internal resistances. Okay, R1 and R2 are the internal resistances. Now current I1 and I2 are the currents passing through the first battery and second battery. Okay, now here total current is equal to I is equal to I1 plus I2. Total current here I is equal to I1 plus I2. Understood? Next one, potentials. Potentials at B1 and B2 are V of B1 and V of B2. V of B1 and V of B2 are the potential set B1 and B2. Understood? Okay. Now, first of all, potential drop across the first cell. Okay. Potential drop across the first cell means here potential drop across the first cell are terminal voltage of the first cell. Okay. Terminal voltage of the first cell. Terminal voltage of the first cell. Terminal voltage of the first cell. V is equal to, you write as here potential drop at B1 minus potential drop at B2 is equal to, you write as E1 minus I1 into R1. You know already terminal voltage is equal to battery EMF minus current into internal resistance. Okay. Next, terminal voltage of the first cell or potential drop across the first cell. Terminal voltage of the terminal voltage of the second cell. Okay, same points here. V is equal to VB 1 minus VB2 is equal to E2 minus I2 R2. E2 minus I2 R2. Understood? Okay. Now, from these two equations, V is equal to E1 minus I1 R1. I1 R1 is taken this side. I1 R1 is equal to E1 minus V. Now here I1 is equal to E1 minus V by R1. Understood? Current I1. Okay. Current I1. See, here total current is I. You have taken this one I1. This is I2. Understood? So both are same. One is small letter, another one is here capital letters. Understood? Next one. It is first one. Next V is equal to E2 minus I2 R2. I2 R2 is equal to E2 minus V. I2 is equal to, you write as E2 minus V by R2. I1 is equal to E1 minus V by R1. I2 is equal to E2 minus V by R2. Okay. Now, total current. What's the total current here? Total current is equal to I1 plus I2. Total current I1 plus I2. I is equal to I1. I1 means E1 minus V by R1 plus E2 minus V by R2. I is equal to E1 by R1 minus V by R1, E2 by R2 minus V by R2. Understood? Okay. I is equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 minus V is common 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Understood? I is equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 minus V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay. Now, what is the LCM here? I is equal to LCM is R1 and R2. R1, R2, E1, R2 plus E2, R1 minus V. Here R1, R2, R2 plus R1. Understood? Okay. Now, it is taking this side, I is taking that side. V in bracket R1 plus R2 by R1 R2 is equal to here E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 R2 minus I. Understood? Okay. Now R1 plus R2 into R1 minus R1 plus R2 divided by R1 R2 is taken that side. V is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 R2 into, it is taken that side means R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 minus I R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Understood? Okay. Now it is taken that side. Okay. Now here R1 R2 R1 R2 cancel. Now V is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2 minus I into R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay, now it is the potential drop. Okay, common potential. Now here we consider here one equivalent battery. Okay, one equivalent battery here, E equivalent and also R equivalent. Current passing through this one, it is A, this one is C. Okay, in this case terminal voltage is write as, here passing current is I, passing current is I, V is equal to, you write as E equivalent minus I R equivalent. Consider one equivalent battery, okay, equivalent EMF of the cell. Okay, so here potential drop is equal to E equivalent minus I R equivalent. Now compare these two equations. Now compare these two equations. If in case you compare these two equations, now compare these two equations means E equivalent is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2. Okay, E equivalent is equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2. Now R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. R equivalent is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Understood? Okay, so this one is the equivalent EMF, this one is equivalent internal resistance, equivalent internal resistance. Understood? Okay, next in simple formation, E equivalent by R equivalent in simple term, E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2. Okay, 1 by R equivalent is write as 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. In simple formation, 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay, next for N cells, for N cells you write as E equivalent by R equivalent is equal to E1 by R1 plus E2 by R2 plus E3 by R3 plus up to E suffix N by R suffix N. 1 by R equivalent 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R suffix N. Understood? Okay. Next, N identical cells are connected in parallel with external resistance, external resistance R, with external resistance R. Okay, now here E is the EMF of each cell. Now R is the internal resistance of each cell. Understood? R is the internal resistance of each cell. Now all are connected in parallel. EMF E R. Okay. EMF E internal resistance R. Like N cells. Okay. Like N cells. Here, first cell E comma R, second cell E comma R, okay, like N cells, all are EMF is same, internal resistance is also same, all are connected to the external resistance R. External resistance R. Understood? Okay. Now all are identical cells. Okay. So equivalent circuit is this one. All are identical means here EMF is same. Okay. EMF is same. Okay. Because of in parallel combination, which one is constant? Potential is constant. Now internal resistance is parallel in the sense you write as R by N. Parallel in the sense R by N because of see 1 by R effect is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R plus up to N times. Okay. N times means you write as N by R. Now internal resistance is equal to here R by N. Internal resistance is equal to here R by N. Okay. EMF is same. External resistance is R. External resistance is R. Passing current is I. Here passing current is I through the resistor. Okay. Current. Total current is I. Total current is I. It is split. First battery I1, second battery I2, third battery I3. In nth battery I sub x n like that one. Okay. R effect is this one. Now internal resistance is always series with external resistance. So effective resistance is equal to R plus R by N. R plus R by N. Are understood? Once again, N cells, identical cells are connected in parallel. N identical cells are connected in parallel. Each EMF is E, internal resistance is R. Okay. So here EMF is same because of see, for example, two cells. You consider two cells. What is the effective EMF? E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2. Okay. Here E1 is equal to E2 is equal to E. R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R. Substituting here E into R plus E into R by R plus R. So 2 ER by 2R. 2R cancel. What is the EMF here? E. Okay. For N cells, same phenomena. Okay. So effective EMF is in parallel combination is E. Okay. Total internal resistance is R by N. Total effective resistance is equal to R plus R by N. Current passing through the external resistor is okay. Current passing through the external resistance is total EMF by effective resistance. Okay. Total EMF by effective resistance. Now E by what is the LCM here? N. NR plus small r. N is taken upon. I is equal to NE by NR plus R. Current passing through the external resistor is equal to here NA by NR plus small r. Understood? Okay. Capital R is external resistance, small r is internal resistance. if in case nr is very less than to the small r, okay, on that case I is equal to ne by small r, because of this is neglected. That means here maximum current is obtained when internal resistance is large and external resistance is negligible, okay. In this case current is equal to n times of the current due to individual cell, if nr is very greater than compared to r, that means internal resistance is neglected, ne by nr, that means e by r. If external resistance is more, so obtained current is equal to, okay, current through single cell, okay, current through single cell. So in parallel combination, useful one is if external resistance is very less compared to internal resistance, on that case you will get the maximum current, understood, okay.